You put it on the block, like you put it on the block, so.
And level.
That's why it's square. So if you put it on the block and you see say it gone, the block gone up, you carry to the
Carry
square.
the block.
Oh.
You understand?
Oh.
Because
Come
it's
here,
square
wonder
already, you know.
how.
You have to just follow in.
Okay, so once you put it on the block and it level from both sides.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Well, that now when that water in it level, also?
Yes, man.
I mean in the center.
Mm.
Why that not in the center?
Doesn't matter.
Oh, at the top one you read.
Yeah.
That one there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that look like it in there. Okay, interesting. You learn as you go. Oh boy, sun hot, sun warm. Put on hot for your head.
Yes, man.
Hmm?
No water in the
Mm-hmm. I'll see you square up right there so with that one, you mark it with that. Oh. Well, let me carry that barrow here. At least one barrow me can manage to carry. But I put no more in there. Eh?
You turn your back.
Come.
You have to carry ball and go run barrow. Carry it on one side.
Come, hold this. Stop.
You
I'll
think
put
you
no
can
more in.
manage it?
Yeah, let me try.
You carry it black.
I can't manage it. Oh, you have to fully.
You carry it. We can balance the barrow. Then we turn over.
Eh?
And I borrowed that big. Yeah, a big barrow.
You don't want to see what man, and okay, I mix matter with them paper dirt.
I know the dirt, you know.
Oh, the
It's
gravel?
stone. When you man lay the block, it's stone, you not hit.
Yeah,
You
can.
go tilt the block or make
Oh.
the block lean. So you can't lay with the stone, you know.
The man should have take up this gravel. Because he keep mixed up with that. So over there, so you take it from me now. Over there, so.
Yeah, so probably he mix one time with us. Take up our some left back in the shovel.
Mm-hmm. Now a bucket. That's a tree now. One bag? Oh. Where's cement then? They run it back? Oh. Where they in the kitchen? Looking at the kitchen. Him know which part today.
Yeah, man, you can't. You don't want to level down.
No, I mean, I do it level down like one of them.
I have that Asburn. Shake out every drop in a cement there.
Everything, certain things are waste.
Yeah, but we can avoid wasting it.
Fertilizer, some I can't throw fertilizer there. Sometimes I throw it back, some left same here.
Sometimes you have to everything for the go.
Yeah, tell you.
And the garden will take everything. Depends on the garden. Man, there's a people sweetness.
One not sweet it.
Just up in here, I'm sure what by the time when I sweet it up and him ready for it. Like you want 2 buckets already. You see that? No, so then do it up Clarendon.
Oh, you are from Clarendon?
Mother.
Oh, no matter.
Clarendon. Sparling.
You know, so the dog end up getting the biscuit.
Yeah, man, for him, they are going to
Fresh cement, that you know. No farmer toughness.
More serious thing happened yesterday, you know, last night. Last night, you say.
Hold on. So this is not called sweet now.
Let me style on it.
That's how they see it. It's only how you want it. Oh, yes, you do it that way, man. That's a sorry. Guys, that's sweet enough to say it.
You need mask. You don't need mask, the dust.
Yeah, man, man.
You mix up that soft one and night too?
We're going to put it. That way to mix it.
Oh. You see, you're having more cement now than marl. Because how you mix. Yeah.
Anytime you want to know.
Can't have radio when it off. Don't waste no water. See water run behind there. I think me then said there's a new way now for run block with cement. I think they say you heat. Something I read on the internet. You must melt something. You remember how it go? Instead of the cement. It's a new way now.
So they have something else to replace the cement.
So then say more modern. Everything we have to try for outdo. Water.
No water on it.
Oh, no put no.
Even the, what you call it now, concrete road, where they map, what I do. How much I hit one.
Oh, you can't manage the mixing. So the first thing you do when you're running the blocks, you make sure you get the corners square properly. Okay. And then you follow from there. Huh?
Bunny.
Alright. This is how you mix mortar. See you again.